Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're starting in the Facebook app. Make sure it's updated and you're signed in. Once ready, tap Menu, then choose Settings and Privacy and open Settings. You do this to reach the controls that affect downloads, video play, and uploads. Make sure you're on mobile data so you can test changes live. Otherwise, toggle Wi-Fi off briefly. Now navigate to Media and Contacts or Media and Preferences. That's where the first actionable toggle's live, so keep going. Now change how content loads. First, set Video Autoplay to Never or on Wi-Fi to stop videos chewing data automatically. Next, open Videos and Photos and turn off Upload HD for both photos and videos. That prevents high-resolution uploads when you're on cellular. Then find Data Saver, or a similar setting, and enable it so images and previews use lower quality by default. These steps reduce both downloads and uploads. Once done, finish by restarting the app and testing while on cellular for 5 to 10 minutes. Watch how many videos autoplay and how images load. You should see noticeably smaller data spikes in Facebook's app data page or your phone's usage meter. If usage stays high, make sure background app refresh is off, clear the app cache, and verify the app is updated. If problems persist, reinstall Facebook. That often fixes settings stuck or corrupted. That single troubleshooting tip usually resolves lingering data drain.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.